Hi, welcome beautiful Dubai. Today we are at Festival Plaza, Jebel Ali, Dubai. This is well known for IKEA showroom. Well, this is the largest IKEA store in Dubai. Not only that, there are so many things to visit. Let's go with us. Now we are at IKEA Bakery and Cafe. Trust me, this is the best place to study, work, or hang out with friends and family. While enjoying a hot coffee, you can study here. You can buy good food at affordable price. This is one of my favorite ice cream. Just cost 1 dirham. You can borrow a pen here and start drawing. Are you ready for an authentic Korean experience? This is the best chance for you. Visit Korean market at Festival Plaza. And also you can watch Kpop live performance. I'm pretty sure you will love this performance. It's awesome.
No paradise, no paradise.
You can subscribe them in YouTube. Now we are in IKEA showroom. Find your own floor here. I love their designs. Wow. You know that IKEA store at Jebel Ali spread across 35,000 square meters and also spread across 2 floors. Now we are in kids section. It has a kids play area too. Vinay, give 5.
Hey, give 5.
Vinay, come. Shop all of your child's favorite items here. IKEA has everything you can think of, from home decor to furnishings, essentials to anything that you may need in your home or your day-to-day life. Are you looking for some nice living room ideas? Explore here. You will surely find them. In Festival Plaza, there are free room spaces. You can visit and have fun. And don't forget to take photos. Stay and play. This place is fun for kids and also break for parents. There are many kids rides and video games. For 1 hour, 60 dirham only. Mumuso. Here you can buy beauty products, household products and many smart cool products with high quality. Who else like these cute bunnies? Here there are many famous restaurants and cafe shops you can dine in. Who needs a train ride? Who knows where I am? This is baby diaper changing room. How nice this place is. If you couldn't take baby diapers, you can buy it from here. Who else remember this television in our childhood? Black and white or television. Shall we go into it? You can buy grocery items at Lulu Hypermarket. I like this wall. It's so natural. It's made up with real plants. Did you see it? Here you can join summer camp. This one for kids aged 5 to 12 years. There are several workshops: science, Nikon photography, gardening, like these things. You have to spend over 20 dirham anywhere in the mall. Then you can join to this summer camp. These are only in weekends. Now we are at food court. There is a dedicated space to play. There are table tennis, foosball table, pool table and building blocks. You can play with them. And also there are board games like chess, ludo, uno cards and more and more. You know, all of these are free of charge. This is the place where you can donate your pre-loved books and school books to children in need. The joy of giving starts here. You can donate your toys to kids in need. And also you can donate pet foods, toys, treats and pet supplies here. Here in Pan Furniture, they have also good collection in furniture. This restaurant area is closed. If you like, I think you have a chance here. Okay, see you soon on next video. Stay safe and happy.